Dear students, welcome to this video lesson. I would like to suggest you to view all videos in every chapter. Then only you can get complete knowledge regarding that chapter. In this video, I am going to prove basic trigonometric identities. Proof of any trigonometric identity can be expected for 2 marks in your examination. First identity. If theta is an acute angle, then prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. To prove this identity, let us draw a right triangle ABC. Let measure of angle C be theta degree in triangle ABC, where angle B equal to 90 degree. In any right angle triangle, square on hypotenuse side is equal to sum of squares on other two sides. In triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Call this as equation number 1. Here we have to prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So let us define sin of angle theta and sin of and cos of angle theta. First of all, sin theta, that is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Therefore sin theta equal to AB by AC. Call this as equation number 2. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here BC is adjacent side, AC is hypotenuse side. Therefore cos theta equal to BC by AC. Consider sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square, because value of sin square theta is AB by AC, value of cos theta is BC by AC. On simplification, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. Therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to AB square plus BC square divided by AC square, because here in both denominators we have AC square. From equation 1, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore substitute AC square for AB square plus BC square. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to AC square by AC square. That implies sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second identity. If theta is an acute angle, then prove that secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Again let us consider a right triangle ABC. Here let measure of angle C be theta degree in triangle ABC, where angle B equal to 90 degree. According to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Call this as equation number 1. Here we have to prove that secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So let us define tangent of angle theta, also secant of angle theta. Tangent of angle theta, that is tan theta, is equal to adjacent side opposite side divided by adjacent side. Therefore, tan theta equal to AB by BC. Similarly, so call this as equation number 2. Secant theta is equal to AC by BC. Call this as equation number 3. Consider 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to 1 plus AB by BC whole square, because tan theta is equal to AB by BC. Therefore, tan square theta is equal to AB by BC whole square. Therefore, 1 plus tan square theta equal to 1 plus AB square by BC square. On simplification, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus BC square plus AB square by BC square. Substitute AC square for BC square plus AB square. We get 1 plus tan square theta equal to AC square by BC square. We know that AC by BC is equal to secant theta. Therefore, AC square by BC square is equal to secant square theta. So before that, let us write 1 plus tan square theta is equal to AC by BC whole square, because AC square by BC square is equal to AC by BC whole square. Substitute secant square theta for AC by BC whole square. We get 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Identity 3. If theta degree less than, if 0 degree less than theta degree less than 90 degree, then prove that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Dear students, try yourself.